Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
In this video, I'm going to share the process of making this beautiful mixed media art. I'm going to use these wooden chips that come with canvases and lots of spoons. If you don't have these wooden chips, you can make this painting by only using these spoons also. I started with cutting the handles of these spoons. It was kind of a difficult task. My thumbs were sore. Please be careful while doing this step. Once I had cut off the handles of all my spoons, I arranged it all in a circular shape. I also bought these plastic diyas and these round thingies. I bought it all from a craft store, and if you don't have these, no problem. You can simply paint these shapes using acrylic paint. I glued it all using Fevibond. Fevibond is a very strong glue and I trust it so much. Once the glue was completely dried, I painted the whole arrangement with white acrylic paint. Then I started painting the shapes with bright acrylic paints. I used ST acrylic pens to draw on it. I have been using these pens a lot lately. If you want a review on these pens, you can watch my last video. Once the drawing and painting part was complete, I sprayed it with varnish spray. Then I glued some mirrors here and there, and voila! Our mixed media painting is complete. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it and I hope it was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like to watch more videos like this, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.